Bangkamera lagi. Pagdumon.
Ito, magkamera gawin tama po. Yan na, 0.5, magkamera pa.
Pwede mo na sa muli sila. Pwede mo na.
0.5. Pagdabul na. Ano pa ba? 0.5 na? 0.5. So, smile.
Point to. 0.5.
Makita niya mga surrounding.
Surrounding. Ato ka na.
So we are riding an e-trike papunta ng aming resort. So the resort is the Fairways and Blue Water. Ayan, hinihintay na namin yung shuttle. Kasi mga ganyan ang kinukuha yung mga guests from the entrance going to the hotel. So by the way, itong resort na to is 80 to 90 hectares and it is one of the largest and most extensive eco-friendly resorts on the island here in Boracay. So ito featuring its own 18-hole championship golf course and private beach front. So yan ang kanilang golf course. So bago kami makarating ng aming hotel, we are passing by that golf course. Either way, meron ding hindi ka nakakapass by dyan kung merong mga pipick upin na mga guests in other hotels kasi marami din silang sort of hotels. So ayan, yan yung golf course. Those makikita nyo na may mga may mga roof, yan ang mga hotels, yan ang mga accommodations ng different guests. So marami talaga silang accommodations like and hotels. Yan, isa na yan pero hindi kami dyan. So merong i-drop na ibang guests. Papunta pa kami sa isang hotel, isang building. Ayan, pass by lang kami sa hotel na yan. Pass by that hotel. And then that's the first one, the first hotel. And then, here you go.
Look.
Sa next kami. Ayan. So this resort is a private resort. So kung saan kayo nakikita nyo yung public beach na maraming tao sa Boracay, this is far from there pa. So kaya kami, it's so crowded na doon sa Boracay. So yan is a private resort. So you have your private beach, maliligo ka sa private beach with infinity pool. Marami din silang pools na meron silang dalawang infinity pools. Meron din silang pool dyan sa hotel mismo na makakapaglaro yung mga bata for family pool. Yung ganon. Tapos, yan, ito yung hotel namin. Yun yung may basketball court sila doon na side. So, ito yung hotel namin. Ayan. We are going to the reception. At meron talagang magwi-welcome sa inyo. You carry your bags, your luggages. It's really nice. It's very nice. Ayan. And then after that, they will assist you to your bedrooms, to your um, booked bedrooms. So, yung amin, we have 2 bedrooms. We are near to each other kasi nga family kami. So, ayan, papunta na kami. Ayan, ang bedroom namin. Doon kami sa pinaka-end. So, left side amin. So, right.
Thank you. Welcome to Fairway. What is that? Fairways. Basta? Fairways? Fairways and blue water. Ah, nara.
Ayan yung swimming pool nila. Nakikita from our window. Ayan, sobrang laki ng property na to. Ng resort na to. And it's really, really nice. Ayan, ang lalaki ng bedrooms. It's so relaxing. Ayan, dyan sa pool na yan, dyan ang buffet, banda dyan sa magbe-breakfast kami. This is the infinity pool. Na it's a private as well. So we are there very early para sa sunrise. And you see how beautiful it is. Ang ganda-ganda talaga. So wala pang naliligo. That is open at 9 a.m. And then it will close at 6 p.m. So at the time, it's only 6 o'clock or 5:30 I think kasi we are catching the sunrise. Yeah, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful, the area, the place. It's so peaceful and relaxing.
Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog.
We're here.
Oh, trick it on ito.
We're here in
San. We are in Boracay.
sunrise.
Palpak. May naka-tagapal. Oh.
And that's the amazing part is the buffet. Yan, may pandesal sila. Yay, grabe. May pandesal. May corned beef. Marami na. May mga jam. Kasi may pandesal, may soup. There you go. It's so yummy. May pasta. May iba-ibang klase. May egg omelette. May scrambled egg. May chorizo, langanisa, tocino. So, a lot to choose. You have fruits. You have cereals. So, talagang super yummy. Super dami ng food. May, bulad. Danggit. So, pag hinihintay ninyo mag-breakfast na. Ayan, kumakain na kami. Let's eat.
Breakfast. Danggit.
Ayan ang swimming pool nila near the restaurant. So, pagkatapos naming mag-breakfast, yung anak namin is nag-sunbathing. Ayan. Yan ang family swimming pool nila near the hotel. Ayan siya, nagsa-sunbathing. Ayan. That's our private resort of Fairways and Blue Water. At ayan na. Naligo na ako ng infinity pool nila. So actually hapon na yan. Hapon na yan, and we didn't realize that the time is so quick at mag-close na sila ng 6 p.m. So what we did when we finished there, we went to the beach quickly. Kasi yung beach din, nagko-close din kasi. Pero may pool pa yan. That beach
Jason!
is also a private beach.
Look, Jason mamuha lagi na.
Kaya wala masyadong
Wala
tao.
lagi na ako. Wala.
Ayan, nag-enjoy lang kami. Kami lang
Uban niya sa
apat
Aquaman,
dyan.
oh. Jason
And then,
mamuha.
after there, sa next vlog,
Uban niya sa
you will
Aquaman na.
see the infinity pool
Wala, may Red
on the
Bulls na
other
Aquaman,
side
masakyan,
of
Red
the
Bulls. Oh, sige.
property of the resort na hanggang ano dun siya, hanggang midnight. So, merong bar doon. You can drink, you can eat, may restaurant din. And sobrang nag-enjoy naman yung mga boys. So, at ako na din. Ayan. Kasi wala masyadong tao, no? Sarap maligo na parang sa inyo lang yung beach. And then after that, we went back to our resort. Not even in our hotel. We went straight to the infinity pool for the night.
So ay, walay video.
Night swimming naman kami.
Ambot papa ni mo.
Kasi yan, 6 o'clock na yan eh. 6 p.m. na yan. So actually, we went to a different resort. Yan. Yung resort na yan dyan, banda. Yan, dyan. So, sa other side of the ano lang yun, ng resort namin. But it's, they also until 6 p.m. Pinapauwi na kami. Kasi nga, ayaw nilang may maligo ng gabi. So that's New Coast Boracay. So ayaw na nila kasi may mga umiinom daw during the night. So for safety measures. So if you want to continue your swimming, you go up for the pool, the infinity pool. So yun. Ayan, pupunta na doon talaga doon pataas. And then we will wait again for